Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Yorktown, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moves extend over a distance of 50 miles from your current address. A long distance move can be within the state or across state lines. A move within the state is an intrastate move, and while we move across state lines, it is an interstate move. 3 Movers is adequately equipped for long distance moves, whether within the state or outside. We also put safety measures to prevent mistakes and damages during the move. Our movers handle your belongings with caution, and our drivers are experienced. They know and follow the highway rules. Our moving trucks are also of the best standards. They accommodate and transport your belongings with no issues. We also put in adequate assurance policies in place to cover risks all throughout the move. Moving over fewer than 50 miles is a long distance move. 3 Movers provides adequate local moves in Yorktown, and we have a close working relationship with authorities in charge of relocation in Yorktown, Indiana. We also provide around the clock customer service, and we're always available to respond to your calls. Local moves are generally cheaper than long distance moves, and at 3 Movers, we offer the most affordable local moves. Our rates range between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Yorktown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.